Solve 1 over t plus 1 over 3t is equal to 1/2. The first thing to do when you're solving rational equations is to identify the values that t, in this case, cannot be because it makes the fractions undefined. So in this case, t cannot equal 0. The next step is to find the LCD. Well, the LCD of t, 3t, and 2 is 6t. And the next step is to multiply both sides by that LCD. So we're going to multiply 6t times the left-hand side and 6t times the right-hand side. So now we must distribute the 6t. So we have 6t times 1 over t plus 6t times 1 over 3t. And here we have, on the right-hand side, 1/2 times 6t. Simplifying on the left-hand side, we can remove a factor of 1, the t over t, which leaves us with 6 times 1, which is 6. We can remove a factor of 1, the t over t here, but in addition to that, 3 divides into 6 twice, leaving us a 1 in the denominator, a 2 in the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2. On the right-hand side, 2 divides into 6 3 times and into itself once. So we have equals 3t. 6 plus 2 is 8 equals 3t. Dividing both sides by 3, we get t equals 8/3. This is a possible answer because it's not 0, which is the number that it can't be. If you were to check this answer, you would find that in fact it does work. So we write that the solution is 8/3.